So hello, I'm Albert.
My name is Karina.
So my name's Katarzyna.
My name is Jakub.
So we were approached by Erasmus Plus if you want to take part in a project, debate, not argue. And I agreed since it's something that I myself teach. I teach students how to debate, hence I thought the experience would be valuable to them and enjoyable. And it was better than I expected. And I think the students really enjoyed themselves, and I myself got some inspiration for the exercises that I could do with them later when we come back to the class.
We are learning how to debate, so we learned the theory, the techniques. We played some debating games that prepared us for the later debate, which I just went through.
I think it's important to debate outside school and get them out of their comfort zone and be exposed to different, let's say, environment, different students. So I think it's a great idea and opportunity to do something a bit different.
Our Gen Z is known for expressing their opinion a lot, and we have to know how to argue, how to debate, and we need to stand with our own opinion.
We studied our own debate club at school, so I wanted my students to try how it is, and even in the different language, which is even more useful. Some of them were a bit scared of talking in English in front of the others, but after all I think it went well.
I really like it that it's in English because it does give you the opportunity to also practice English, and I think it's important to know English and to be able to structure arguments in a different language than yours, like your native language.
I think it's amazing. First of all, it's more than just theory. So now they have to talk actually, and they have to communicate with other, let's say, age group and different students from different schools. So I think it's great and it's important.
A lot of us learn how to communicate and how to correctly debate. And I think we also find new friends from the other school.
Yeah, I agree with that.
I think that there were quite a lot of points that the students could take and use later on in their personal life and in their careers. For example, to respect each other, to not bicker over each other with their arguments, but also to try to argue for a point of view that is not theirs, that is actually contra to their own beliefs.
I think the people here everybody here is very, friendly, and I really liked it here. The food here is great. It was free, so that's the best.
We loved it, and especially students like that a lot. Yeah, so thank you for inviting us.